Mufti Riyazuddin sir, backbone of Al-Karim, Mr. Imtiaz Khan sir, and one of the board of directors, Mr. Abdul Hafiz sir, my team, key functionaries, teachers, proud parents, and my little loving students, Assalamu alaikum. Should I say it's a gathering around 700 people, but wishing each other is not up to the mark. Assalamu alaikum. That's good. Proud and privileged to be standing in front of you, heading an institution which we call a School of Difference. You would have seen in front of you some events past away, which clearly declare that we believe in excellence. We believe in organizing the things which would affect the clear declares value system stands for. It's been 3 years we started this institution. In the year 2019, March 28, we established this institution. It's the blood and sweat of and time and energy of so many people. I personally feeling that every single person who's been associated with Al-Karim English Medium Public School deserve a big round of applause. Okay. For making it what it is today. And I'm here grateful to stand here to present you annual report of the academic year 2021-22. Year after year, school is developing towards the development of school as well as students. Let's go and move on to some peaks of our old school, old campus. This is our old campus which we have worked for 2 years. 2 years means 1 year perfectly waited and another 1 year it went into the Corona past day. And now we are going to our new campus. This is our new campus. You all know the picture of outside and inside the picture of the school is, these are the inside of the pictures. And we have lot of here with spacious classroom with great ventilation. And children also feeling so happy means compared to this school and that school. These are the pictures of our new school. You can see. We did a risk analysis and thereafter we have taken protective measures for safety. One of them are CCTV cameras in all corridors and in common areas and additional gates also. We are making Al-Karim as secure as possible. It is my appeal to the parents of Al-Karim and Madrasa, view the measures positively and follow the security protocols. And this is the one of the thing we have changed earlier. And coming to tuition classes. Is it okay? Are you able to understand what I am talking here? Yes? Yes. Okay. Or else we have a lot of ideas to educate the children, but time not supported in second year. Parents and school were supporting a lot to the children. Children completely now it's in your hand. I'll say you one small and real story that was happened before.
बात क्या बोल रही आप लोगों को समझ में आता है। हम लोग के पास बहुत सारे आइडियाज है जो बच्चों को एजुकेट कराने के लिए। उसमें एक है कि ट्यूशन रखे आपको साथ देने के लिए। पेरेंट्स और स्कूल भी बहुत साथ देते हैं। ये सभी बच्चों के हाथ में जो उनको अच्छे तरीके में पढ़ा के ये सभी करने के लिए हमारे पास बहुत सारे कोशिश जारी है।
And there is a couple, means father and mother. There is a couple. They have 3 children, 2 baby girls and 1 baby boy.
एक वाकया है, उसमें एक कपल है, एक जोड़ा, एक वाइफ एंड हस्बैंड को 3 बच्चों हैं, 2 लड़कियां और 1 लड़का।
and he is the government job holder. But in the age of that boy age, when he was in 1 year age, he passed away.
जब वो आदमी का इंतकाल हो गया, उस बच्चे वो लड़के का 1 ईयर था वो लड़के को, तब उसमें उनके फादर का इंतकाल हो गया।
Sustaining her life completely over there in her mother tongue.
तब उस आदमी का इंतकाल हो जाने के बाद वो जो उनके वाइफ है वो लोग अपने नानिया के घर चले गए बच्चों के लेके और वहीं पर जिंदगी बसर करना शुरू करे।
At the times, girls should not go to school, and boys can read, boys can study. So both the girls are at home only, but boys very interested to study.
उस वक्त लड़कियों को बाहर आने का इजाजत नहीं था और लड़कियों को पढ़ने का भी रूल नहीं था। उस वक्त वे 2 बेटियां भी घर में बैठे थे, तो 2 लड़कियां बोली थी ना और 1 लड़का, तो 2 लड़कियों को पढ़ने की इजाजत नहीं थी और उस वक्त रूल नहीं था।
The son likes to go to school. He was just crying and crying, keep on crying. Finally, he took his mother. She also okay to send that boy to school.
तो लड़के के मन में बहुत अरमान है, तो पढ़ने का बहुत शौक था वो बच्चन को, तो उनके अम्मी को बहुत अच्छा तो सताए बोलना या मना लेके अच्छा वो बच्चा फाइनली स्कूल को जाने के लिए ओके कर दिया उनके माँ।
But the main problem here is he has to travel 8 kilometers to reach the school. But for reaching the school, he has to go not by walk. He has to go by swimming. Here, he has to cross the river bank.
तो ये प्रॉब्लम क्या है? तो स्कूल और घर का जो फासला है वो 1 मील का फासला है और उस फासले में एक रिवर है, तो उसमें तैर के जाना है वो बच्चों को।
It would again charge 2 paisa. Means, do you know 2 paisa? At that time, it's 1904 and 1920 means 2 paisa. 1 paisa we used to spend. No? Means 2 paisa it will charge. Means 2 paisa for going and 2 paisa for coming to home again. So 4 paisa he can't afford. So finally, what he did means, so every day he used to tie his compulsory school means he has to carry the books, but he don't have the chance. He has to cross the river compulsory. So he used to tie his books onto head and he used to cross the river.
ये वाक़या 1904 से 1920 का दरमियान का वाक़या है ना। उस वक्त 2 पैसे का चार्ज पड़ता था तो वो रिवर क्रॉस करने के लिए स्कूल को पहुंचना बोले तो बच्चा 2 पैसे का चार्ज दे के पहुंचना और वापस आने के लिए स्कूल से घर को वापस आने के लिए फिर एक्स्ट्रा 2 पैसे दे के आना। टोटल उन्हें 4 पैसे खर्चा करे तो और बच्चा स्कूल को और घर को आ सके। इसलिए वो लड़का क्या अपने मन में सोचती है, अपनी घर की हालत अपने माइंड में सोच कर अपने बुक्स को अपने सर पे बांध कर तैर कर जाते थे और तैर कर घर को वापस आते थे स्कूल से।
Whatever may be the season, it may be the rainy season, winter, whatever the season, he used to swim to cross the road. And one day, one man asked him, "What? Are you feeling crazy? Why you are swimming on the rainy day?"
तो चाहे जो भी मौसम है, सर्दी का, गर्मी का या जो भी समर विंटर राइनी बोले थे ना माँ, जो भी सीजन में वो बच्चा को क्या करना और स्कूल को पहुंचना बोले तो वो बच्चा तैर कर ही जाना और तैर कर ही वापस आना। इस एक दिन क्या हुआ था, एक आदमी बोट में जा रहे थे और उन्होंने पूछे क्या आप पागल हो गए क्या? वो लड़के को पूछे क्या आप पागल हो गए बच्चा, क्या ऐसा तैरते हैं, ये राइनी का सीजन है बोले तो वो बच्चा बोलते।
As the year passed away, he became strong and sharp. Now the little boy story is about our second Prime Minister, Dr. Lal Bahadur Shastri. See here, children, you have to learn here what, see, your parents are sending by autos, by rickshaws, by cars. But here, this Prime Minister, our second Prime Minister, Dr. Lal Bahadur Shastri, he fought a lot to learn. Without struggling, you can't achieve anything. So, you have to work hard. Okay, happily your parents are sending to schools or not? Say! Yes, in our school building itself, you have the school as well as tuition as well as karate classes. Yes or no? Are you suffering to come to school? No. Happily you are coming. Everything your parents are providing, right? And coming to tuition classes means karate classes. Not 3 classes in a week, karate classes. But within no time, means from in the month of December we started the classes of karate. And now they are going to rally for competitions also very soon. See some of the pictures of the children. Already saw one event also done by our girls.
बहुत कम टाइम में हमारे पास कराटे क्लासेस भी कंडक्ट करते हैं स्कूल में और वीक में 3 टाइम से ट्वाइस अ वीक है। तो बच्चे कंपटीशन के लिए जाने की तैयारी हैं। नेक्स्ट
To encourage the children in their academics and in the terms of discipline and punctuality, we are giving badges to them. See children, compulsory here what you have to learn, you have to have the goal, you have to have the goal and aim to achieve that, you have to do work hard. See, these are the badges that we are giving to the children to encourage them.
बच्चों को हौसला बढ़ाने के लिए और उनका एंकरेज करने के लिए हमारे स्कूल में बैचेस भी देते हैं 100% बैचेस। तो हर महीना में जो भी बच्चा बिना एब्सेंट किए हुए आए वो बच्चे को बैच मिलता है 100% बैच और गुड टर्नआउट बैच A+ बैच। जो क्लास में फर्स्ट आए वो बच्चे को A+ बैच भी मिलता है।
Those who have the disciplinary manners, punctuality, first child should have this. I will tell you one answer. Yes? Children, wake up. Are you sleeping? Let them cheer up. Do you know Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir? Where he born? In America? In Australia? In Tamil Nadu, in a small village. He is not 100% student from his childhood. He is also average students like remaining child. But he have the goal and he have the aim to achieve all the success in his life. For that, what he see, starting in his childhood, in his schooling and in college, he is average student like 70%. But he have the goal to achieve the success in his life. He selected an aeronautical engineering degree. So he has to work, he should get 100 marks in maths and physics. But he is poor in both the subjects. He is poor in both the subjects.
APJ अब्दुल कलाम सर तो उन्होंने अच्छे एक डिसिप्लिन स्टूडेंट थे। तो 100% में तो उन्होंने 100% नहीं थे, 70% मार्क्स स्कोर करते थे। तो मैथ्स और फिजिक्स सब्जेक्ट में उन्होंने थोड़ा वीक थे। तो वो जो कोर्स चूज किए थे वो इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट, उसमें उनको 100% मार्क्स आना जरूरी था।
To practice maths and physics, every day he used to go to his friend's house and he used to work hard there nearly 4 hours. And after coming back to home, he used to practice one more 5 hours.
तो सब्जेक्ट को अच्छा 100% करने के लिए वो अपने दोस्त के यहाँ जाते थे, 4 to 5 hours जाके मैथ्स और फिजिक्स प्रैक्टिस करते थे और घर पे वापस आने के बाद घर में भी 4 से 5 घंटे तक मेहनत करते थे उस सब्जेक्ट पे।
He may be weak in maths and physics. Once he said, I have a vision, I have a dream. Finally, he dreamed a vision and he succeeded in his life. He achieved his dream and he is the successful person and he was also the 11th president of our India.
फाइनली वो रीच होने के लिए उनको जितनी भी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है वो करे थे, 100% स्कोर किए थे और उनका जो भी सपना था, उनका ड्रीम था वो फुलफिल हो गया। तो इसलिए क्या करना है, हमें अपने सपने को फुलफिल करने के लिए वर्क हार्ड करना है।
Wishing you all parents a fun and wonderful morning ahead. I request you to applaud and cheer our children after every program very generously.
आज प्रोग्राम के बाद हमारे बच्चों को स्टूडेंट्स को एनकरेज करो.
It's nothing feel better. A big round of applause and a big round of cheers.
By clapping them. आप लोग एनकरेज करें तो ना बच्चे अच्छा परफॉर्म करते हैं, उनको एनकरेजमेंट मिलता है.
Many of the children coming up onto the stage first time, and many of the children here talking for the first time. So please encourage them with big round of applause.